Alright guys, I'm back. Welcome back guys. I got here this morning. Look what showed up in my stall. Yes guys, y'all remember the 300, the overheating 300? Remember we had a lengthy discussion about everything relating to overheating cars, not always physical parts like water pump and things like that, coolant related. This particular issue, I got an actual connector. I didn't think they was gonna give me a whole wire and repair kit. Okay, y'all saw that video. If you didn't, please go back and watch part 1. Okay, I'm gonna put part 1 right here. I guess we'll make this the repair video since I have parts. I don't like leaving the video open, guys, for a long period of time. Okay, because number one, I don't know if they're gonna buy the job, and I can't leave a car in my stall that long, so I just soon park it and upload the footage. All right. Yes, I am a content creator, which means I like a lot of content. Okay, this is a one fan, guys. I can't remember if the one we diagnosed had 2 fans on it. But at any rate, this is the fan that they got me. Now, guys, notice it do have this little resistor block. There's a proper name for this, guys, and I don't want to yell it out if I don't know the name by heart. Act as a little resistor. Remember, guys, we had power supply and ground going. The ground wire was coming in and out. It was burnt out. Okay, and the only thing that can burn that connector out right at the connector point is a motor. The motor. Okay, so but there's a wiring from here. I'm almost tempted to just unplug this and plug this into that old fan and see if it worked, but that's just be bringing extra work on me, guys. It doesn't look hard at all, guys. What y'all think? Y'all see this connector can simply be unplugged? I don't know. I see how I feel, and I simply take that out and just, well, the connector on the car is burnt out, and I don't want to short anything out. So now that's a bad idea. So what I'm gonna do is repair that connector. In fact, I might not even. The only wire problem we had was actual the ground, guys. So depending on the gauge, the thickness of the wire, I might just use that same. I don't know. I have to play it by ear when I get the car in. I don't have a full memory of everything that went on, but I do know we ordered it. Let me plug this all the way in before I forget. Last thing I need is to be wondering if they got me a bad fan, brand new bad fan. So guys, what I'm gonna do is go bring the car in, and we'll directions. Okay, yeah, that's just a couple of steps. So let me go get the car, and we're gonna get started, guys. I don't know, y'all want to watch me put a fan in? Nothing real technical about putting a fan in. The technical part was in the diagnosis. All right, and I hope y'all got something out of that diagnosis. Okay, don't just stop looking for overheating problem just because you don't see a coolant leak. Yes, we all would like it to be something simple as a coolant leak, but that's not always the case. So let me go take a break right quick. Let me go grab the car, and guys, we'll continue when I get back, so stay tuned. All right, guys, here we go. Now, as far as replacing the fan, guys, it's just screw right here. Now screw right here, and then finagle the fan out. So what I'm going to say, because that's so simple, let's put most of our focus into the connector. Remember, guys, we got a burnout terminal right here. All right, now here's my kit that they got me. So you can either one or two things. You can either go in and replace all 4 wires. If you do that, that simply means you're gonna have to splice in. And when I say about splice, I mean do it the right way, guys, using solder and heat shrink tubing and all that. So you're gonna have to do a little bit extra work. All right, so because I only have a problem out of 1 wire, and that's this small gauge ground wire, I may simply use the head of the connector and just stab in the remaining wires and replace and repair my ground wire only. And I might even use, yes, I'm gonna use this thicker gauge wire for the ground. All right, so that's fairly easy to do, guys. All connectors pretty much gonna have a locking tab on it, so I'm almost certain you just take your pick and depress like that. See, I have it up, so now I can just go in and stab the terminals and pull the 1 wire out. I'm just gonna pull this ground wire out. Well, I might just pull them all out and reuse the whole connector. I don't know. Haven't decided yet. You can use a whole connector and just go in with the same. These other 3 wires can remain the same. I only had a problem with the ground wire. Guys, you're going to get some flack no matter which way you go. Now I'm aware of what I'm doing and what I'm repairing and what I'm changing, things like that. I'm aware of everything. So if you got thin skin, don't bother showing stuff like this, because somebody going to find something wrong you did no matter what you do. All right, so I'm gonna do this the way I want to do it, and hopefully it's a successful way. All right, so I have to find a prop for this camera, guys, because I'm gonna have to pull this out, the ground wire. I'll play it by ear. We'll go from there, guys. Hold tight. Let me grab a little small tripod. I don't mind you guys watching, but like I say, this fan pretty easy, and it actually came with 2 bolts. So see, you got a heat shrink tube already in here. So guys, and if you don't do nothing else, solder this wiring connector properly, guys. You don't want moisture getting in there causing any more problems. All right, so let me grab some tools, get this connector going, and get this fan put in, guys, and this will be a wrap. We're gonna verify this fix afterwards too. Okay, all right, so stay tuned. I'll be right back. Alright guys, welcome back. I have my parts on, guys. As you can see, the new fan on there. You also saw where I wired up the new connector. Guys, that heat shrink tube was too small, so I had to end up using electrical tape just to secure it. New fan on. Now it's time to fire this up. Guys, let me tell you something. I just found out all late. Yeah, she say her AC don't work. Check her AC out. Guys, we all know, or you should know by now, guys. If you don't, let me explain. The cooling fan plays a bigger role than just helping the car avoid from overheating. It also plays an AC role, guys. You need, in front of this radiator is a condenser, right? You need airflow to go past that condenser in order to lower the pressure. Same with the radiator, guys. So this fan can actually cause 2 problems: your AC not to work, as well as your car overheating. All right, now I got it on. The quickest way to test and see if the fan is gonna blow is to simple: turn the AC on. That's if your AC working. Okay, so y'all know how it's designed. Okay, when the high side pressure reaches a certain temperature, start this up. The fan will try to lower that pressure by way of turning the fan on. The fan will do it by coming on. It's not on now. Let's see if it come on. I have the AC on, guys. There it is. Y'all see that? Ooh, it's strong too. Nice, good, strong fan. All right, guys. So now this car should not overheat, and now I'm almost certain she have cold AC now. All right. Let me do a quick feel of the lines. This low pressure line is extremely cold already. Okay, this is the high side line. It's warm. But guys, this car is fixed. All right. I hope you got something out of this video, guys. If you did, please leave the video a thumbs up, as well as subscribing to the channel. Again, my fan is working. This fan was shorted. Okay, I don't know what burned out that connector, but I'll do some investigating later. Find out, do an amperage draw or something. We'll figure something out. But right now, I got to get this car out of here. Guys, that's all I have, man. I appreciate y'all tuning in. This was part 2. Don't forget to go watch part 1 where I performed the diagnosis. That may help somebody. I don't know. Now, I was using a scan tool. I don't know what kind of scan tools you guys have. I don't know if your scan tool able to perform actuator tests. All right, I just do not know that. That is the way I've been trained to do it. Yeah, here go I didn't even bother taking that terminal out. Y'all get the picture. So I shouldn't have that problem now. I use a thicker gauge wire on the ground side. Anyway, guys, that's all I have. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.